A severe weather outbreak is likely Saturday night into Sunday morning. The greatest threat overnight will be across Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, where strong, long-track tornadoes, wind gusts in excess of 75 miles per hour, large hail, and heavy rain will all be possible. Make sure you have a way to get warnings while you are sleeping, as nighttime tornadoes are more than twice as likely to be deadly compared to tornadoes during the day. The overall severe threat is lower as it shifts east Sunday, but a few tornadoes and damaging wind gusts are still possible, so the southeast and mid-Atlantic need to stay weather aware. If you're traveling this weekend, expect delays and slowdowns on both coasts with quieter weather across the middle of the country. The parade of storms will continue to bring more rain and mountain snow to the Pacific Northwest, while severe weather will delay travel across the southeast and mid-Atlantic Sunday. Monday looks like the better travel day for many, except across New England where rain showers linger, and the Rockies and Plains where rain and snow could make roads slick. Rain will impact the I-95 corridor Tuesday, so allow for extra travel time to get to your New Year's Eve parties. Unfortunately, it's looking rainy for the ball drop in New York City, so anyone celebrating outdoors will need the rain gear and prepare for temperatures in the 40s, which isn't too terribly cold for this time of year.
We have an ongoing severe weather outbreak to our south and west right now in the extreme southern portions of Mississippi. This yellow shaded area you see, that is a particularly dangerous situation tornado watch, likely having several ongoing tornadoes that are strong EF2 or greater, and these supercells out ahead of this main line. Now for us, there is potential that we might not see supercellular activity. Instead, we'll have to deal with this line of thunderstorms as it moves off to the east. But still, that line could produce damaging winds upwards of 60 miles per hour, as well as the potential for a few tornadoes. But right now, looking a little closer to home, there are some showers on the western side of the state, all the way down from Marengo County up through parts of Sumter, Pickens County, and even Fayette-Lamar into the Huntsville television market as well. But right now, it really seems like the atmosphere is trying to destabilize once again as that warm front lifts off to the north. That's why we still have the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms. Now, just remember the outlook. A level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for severe storms from about Birmingham, Alabaster, Clanton, off to the west. Off to the east, we have a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for severe storms, but even parts of Sumter County currently in a 4 out of 5 moderate risk for severe storms. This will be going on tonight and into tomorrow morning. Along with that, the tornado threat is a little bit higher than what we've seen in events past. This red area shows about a 15% chance that a tornado can form within 25 miles of a single point. This yellow area showing that same kind of metric, but a 10% chance, which is fairly high. And of course, some of these tornadoes could be strong or even violent EF2, EF3 or greater. But here's what we could see as we go throughout the evening. So right now we have isolated supercells ahead of this main line of thunderstorms and this rain moving off to the north. We could probably see this line approaching the Alabama-Mississippi state line by about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. And this line definitely going to pack a punch, at least with damaging winds upwards of 60 miles per hour, although a few tornadoes certainly can't be ruled out within this line. And overall, it's likely going to be a fairly slow-moving system impacting the Birmingham area sometime probably between midnight and 1 and 2 a.m. Slowly starting to move out. Still likely going to have ongoing rain, but on the western side of the main line, the severe threat overall will start to diminish. And then by about 6 or so, the severe threat should be winding down. And by about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, the rain will be moving out of the state. But overall, here are our threats. Tornadoes certainly possible, some of which could be on the stronger side. Gusty, damaging winds upwards of 60 miles per hour, certainly possible. We could see hail upwards of quarter size and flood, especially in flood-prone areas and those folks that saw rain yesterday. But our two main concerns will be the possibility for tornadoes and those gusty, damaging winds upwards of 60 miles per hour. But once all of this is said and done, we could still expect anywhere from maybe 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain across the state. But we are expected to remain warm the next several days before another front moves in here New Year's Eve into New Year's Day, dropping our temperatures down in the 40s and 50s and bringing back some sunshine.
Thank you for tracking that severe weather threat for us, Riley. To stay safe tonight, you can scan the QR code you see right here on your screen to get access to the ABC 3340 weather app. The app gives you access to live radar, James's weather blog, and the 7-day forecast.